So GPT-4 has been launched and we already use the previous versions of GPT, GPT-3 and 3.5, but this is the most advanced language model that OpenAI has just released. This is super useful. It can generate text. It can even tell us what is happening in a image. You will just submit a image to ChatGPT and it will tell you that what's going on with this image. For example, you can see here, if you show ChatGPT this image, ChatGPT would automatically recognize that if you would cut the rope, the balloons would fly away. So this is the most advanced language model that we can use. And we already know that AI is becoming smarter and smarter day by day, and yet this is the most advanced language model that we can use today. So what is GPT-4 and how it is different from its predecessors? GPT-4 is the latest version of the GPT series developed by OpenAI. It's a language model that uses machine learning to process text, images, etc. But this is just for now that it is processing the images. In future, hopefully, it will be able to generate us images and videos as well. It's a huge leap forward from ChatGPT 3, which was already one of the most advanced language models in the world. And there are many other advancements in GPT-4 that it can remember up to 25,000 words, which is huge, and it is almost 70% or 75% much better than GPT-3. And another use case of GPT-4 is that now it supports multiple languages like English, Spanish, and many other languages. It will broaden the vision of GPT. This means that GPT-4 can have more natural and engaging responses as compared to GPT-3. And GPT-4 also have many other capabilities, like it have passed various exams like mathematics, computer physics, and it has also got many other certificates from different universities. GPT-4 would also help you in preparing for your exams, like it can become your math teacher, it can become your biology teacher, and you can ask it to teach you a specific topic or specific question. So it is the most advanced language model that would replace the need of humans in some technical places, like it can replace designers. Now, the developer of ChatGPT asked it to create a website from a simple text. As you can see here, the developer took the picture of the page where it has designed a website. And now it is asking GPT-4 to create a website like this. And you can see that it has generated the website. So that means that GPT-4 can replace designers. And the question is, as a human, should we be worried about this AI that it could replace the designer's job, the accountant's jobs, and many other assistants' jobs? But I think that we need to adopt it, because when we will adopt it, we will learn the things that we can do with this AI. We as a human would be more capable to do many amazing things. Even AI is smarter than humans, but it is built by humans. So that's the thing, we need to adopt the technology, and that's how we would be able to do many other amazing things. GPT-4 is a significant advancement in the field of natural language processing. Its advanced capabilities such as context awareness, creativity, and ability to learn from fewer examples open up a range of few possibilities for content creation, automation, and conversion AI. As GPT-4 continues to evolve, in future, we can expect to see many other groundbreaking applications of this technology in the near future. So that's it. GPT-4 is here, but you cannot use it right away because it is only available if you upgrade your plan on OpenAI's website. So if you want to use ChatGPT Plus, then you have to buy the new plan that's worth $20. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Kindly like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks. Take care.